What if lab automation became so flexible it could help you with any task? Introducing your new lab assistant, Buddy, from bAhead. Buddy was developed to help your lab increase productivity and quality of results. Using visual technology, Buddy can adapt to your changing lab environment. This enables Buddy to do all kinds of tasks in your lab. Here, Buddy scans and detects different samples, picks them up, detects the liquid level, scans the barcode or other sample information, then sorts them based on your requirements. Buddy doesn't just move, it understands. Its vision system identifies every object in the workspace in real time. From centrifuge to spectrometer to microplate reader, Buddy operates your existing devices with the precision of a trained technician. Every insertion, every placement, every start, consistent and exact, every single time. Buddy is designed to work next to you as a collaborative robot. Buddy's built-in safety intelligence detects the unexpected and responds in an instant. No cages, just intelligent collaboration. Buddy can be directed from any browser-based device, a laptop, tablet, and even remotely from home. Instead of staying late, let Buddy work the night shift. Buddy brings automation to your lab so you can focus on what matters. Reach out to our automation experts to see how Buddy can help your lab.